guys to King with us. I'm Sabrina.
I'm Brittany.
And I'm Katie.
Today we're going to show you how to make two different types of Jeow Mak Muang, which is a mango dipping sauce.
Okay, so this is definitely one of my favorite snacks. Sometimes I sneak in the dry sauce to the movie theaters. I wouldn't recommend you do that because it's a little smelly, but it's so good.
All right, so let's get started making our Jeow for mangoes, which is essentially just a dipping sauce. We have our green mangoes already cut up over here so that we're ready to eat them. And it's really simple ingredients. We're gonna be using 3 tablespoons of sugar, 2 teaspoons of ground chili pepper, 1 tablespoon of the roasted rice powder, and about 1/4 of a shallot finely chopped into this as well, and then 3 tablespoons of fish sauce. If you do like more heat, which we do, we add 1 red Thai chili pepper. Show you how to make the dry Jeow for the mango. This one's very simple. It only has 4 ingredients in it. We're going to be using 1 tablespoon of ground chili pepper, and make sure that it is a finely crushed one, not with the bigger chunks in it. 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and 2 tablespoons of the roasted rice powder. All right, I'm all finished mixing. There you have it. Super easy snack, and it is so good. So now we're gonna taste it. Sabrina, Brittany, you wanna come over?
John. Just kidding. This is good.
Hater. This can also be adjusted to whatever your taste buds are. So if you want it more salty, add more salt. If you want it more spicy, add more heat.
It's really good. This is the snack I was talking about, sneaking in the movie theater.
All right, so that was one of our favorite snacks. If you guys have a favorite snack that you want to see us make, comment below and let us know.
Bye.